Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hey gang, Poppy here. What? Don't look the same? You can see my chin? Yeah, I know. The last time this was saw was my granddaughter's 3rd birthday party. I figured I'd give her a treat. She's always playing with my goatee. I figured I'd shave, right? She spent about 5 minutes.
I don't like it. Grow it back.
But in this March 26th, the year of perfect vision, and seeming like mass death from a virus, I might want to be able to keep stray vapors from getting to my mouth and nose region. And unfortunately, that beard had to go. Started off with, under here it was like a great big block of hard felt. I mean, that hard felt you can polish gemstones on with cerium oxide. That had to go. And brought these down to here, you know. But might have to wear a mask. The beard leaks and masking. So that's not good. Tomorrow at 9-something a.m., I'm supposed to be doing a live video chat with my cardiologist, Dr. Monica S. Divakaruni, St. Helena Hospital, Deer Park, California. With the way the internet's been lately, meh. But I went to my email and I clicked on the thing and all that, and at the top of it there's still this reminder, and they're supposed to call me 15 minutes ahead of time. Is your computer booted yet? I don't know. In case that doesn't happen, doctor, after you coiled the mammary, for a week I stayed in bed because the closure, that new suture closure, is really painful. It took a week for to be able to walk without pain. For a week and a half, that's great. I could stand up and walk without getting short of breath and dizzy. Then I got whatever it is I got in December. That on the 12th I went to emergency and they said walking pneumonia. And I was back Christmas, still dying. There's nothing wrong with you. I'm going, blah, blah, blah. I hope that doctor is really sick. Oh, petty? Yeah. Can't afford to be big and magnanimous in this state. Sorry. Anyway, that sort of went away, but not totally. In February, whatever that was that I was puking and diarrhea and a cough and sneeze and fever and chill and that sort of went away. Now I'm wondering, did I have the virus back in December and wasn't so bad and all that? Scary thought. Anyway, I can see that there's 4 minutes and 12 seconds of video recorded here. I'm gonna go now. See you in the funny papers.